Paulo Cruzada, my New Year resolution to you, I was told by Denzel Joshua, do not recruit Wawel Romero as an ISIS fighter. You know, Wawel Romero, anyway, Paulo Cruzada, she was my schoolmate in CDIFI. You know, Wawel and I, we train in, you know, with Anya Suyuki, my ninang. I trained there in US Marine Corps, even US Delta Force. So I trained there. Before I met Wawel Romero in CDIFI, even I joined with the US Navy SEALs at time in 2010. Oh, remember, Paulo Cruzada, when I left in the US Delta Force, when I left in the Singaporean Army in 2009 and 2010, I joined in the US Marine Corps and US Delta Force and US Marine Corps and US Navy SEALs. I left there since 2010 until 2012, and I joined in Russian Spetsnaz in GRU in 2013, and I was recruited by Tito Mac. Oh, when I deploy in Syria, I fight against ISIS. Oh, I kill all ISIS. Oh, remember, Paulo Cruzada, Wawel Romero, she's not an ISIS. Alright? Wawel Romero was recruited in Russian military. Oh, thanks to Tito Mac, she is a Spetsnaz sniper. Oh, you remember the Incognito, Paulo Cruzada, if you watch Incognito, the private military contractor? Oh, Wawel Romero was recruited as a private military contractor. Counter-terrorism. Just be remember, Paulo Cruzada, my New Year resolution to you, stop forcing Wawel Romero become a terrorist. She's not Salafist, she's not Muslim, she's not Sunni. Oh, she is a born again Christian. As I imagine, Wawel is a Christian. She's a born again Christian. She's not a Muslim. Look at in the place in Russia. Oh, Paulo Cruzada. Their religion anyway, Christian, Orthodox, oh, born again. Would you ever convert my friend who's a born again Christian to become ISIS? You know, Paulo Cruzada, Denzel Joshua have told you, oh, when I heard that from Jerick Silva, Jerick Silva said to me, do not promote terrorism. Oh, just like he said to you, oh, Jerick says, utak terorista ka talaga, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, why you promote terrorism? Oh, why did you promote terrorism? Tito Mac hates terrorism. Me, I don't like terrorism. Do not promote terrorism, Paulo Cruzada. Have mercy to your family, to your friends, to your loved ones. Oh, do not force Wawel Romero to become an ISIS. I know this is all my fault that I forced Antonio Sodorio to join in the Russian military way back 2018 as a Wagner group. I left there in Russian Armed Forces since 2017. Before I joined the Iranian Quds Force, in IRGC, in Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, or Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps, I joined there as Special Operation Forces to fight against ISIS terrorists. Why I just fighting the ISIS terrorists? I fight against ISIS in Iraq. Oh, when I joined in Iranian Quds Force, when I joined in Iranian Hezbollah, oh, I joined Hezbollah. I joined Liva Faidayudum. It's a paramilitary backed by Iran. I joined a military there and I said I fight against ISIS. Oh. You know, Paulo Cruzada, that ISIS are the enemy of the Shia Muslims, enemy of the Christians. You see what really happened in Iraq. If you watch Mosul in the movie in 2019 in Netflix, or the one of the Iraqi special forces and the Iraqi Popular Mobilization Forces or elite units, they're fighting against terrorists. They're fighting against ISIS. Oh, I imagine here in the Philippines during the time of Rodrigo Duterte, they are fighting against ISIS. Oh, his soldiers are fighting against ISIS. Oh, one of the Philippine army are fighting against ISIS. Oh, even the Scout Rangers, they defeated the ISIS. They killed Itzilon Napilon. They killed Omar Maute, the member of the Abu Sayyaf and the Dawla Islamiyah Koit Maute group. Oh, just to know, I'm not telling you, Paulo Cruzada, I am warning you, do not promote terrorism. Huh? I know Roylan Marlang was not there, even Teacher Chin was not there, Teacher Lendel or David Gill, they're not also there. You know, like Mark Pacione said to me, hindi po yan tuturo si Teacher Lendel. Oh, Teacher Lendel was not there in CDIFI. Oh, she's no longer teaching there. Just like Teacher May Tiburcio, my arch enemy, she is no longer teaching in CDIFI. Oh, she's no longer. Just be remember, Paulo Cruzada, when Ate Pura was not there in CDIFI, when she is retired, when she's taking care of her son Miguel Bonono, do not promote terrorism, Paulo Cruzada. You know, when I was study in Malaysia in Islamic school in special education, I study in special education school in Malaysia. I study in Islam as Shia with a mixture with the Sunnis. Oh, I know that Wahhabis and Salafist are radical. Like ISIS, for example, they are Wahhabis and radical, and they're Salafists. They are radical. That's what I remembered. Radicalism. That is the cold. Oh. And for example, when I was in a special education school in Russia, they prohibited promoting terrorism in Russia. Oh. Even in social media like Facebook, oh, they prohibited terrorism, promoting terrorism in Facebook. Oh, even Instagram, they prohibited. In Russia, of course, they prohibited terrorism. Like ISIS, oh, like for example, the exile country in Russia, call it the Chechen Republic of Ichkeria. Oh, which are radicalism, who were Sunnis. Oh, they want to destroy all Russians who were Christians and who were Russians who were Shia Muslims and across in Dagestan. Oh, they don't want radicalism. Oh, they don't want radicalism. They don't want terrorism. Oh, they're fighting against terrorism. ISIS is the evil of the enemy of the nations. When I study in Iran, in Shia Muslim, in special education school in Iran, they prohibited promoting terrorism. It's not promoting terrorism in the public for all Shia Muslims in Iraq. Oh, I studied there in Shia Muslim in Iraq in special education school. Um, some of people who were Shia, who were autism, they don't like terrorism. Oh, they don't like terrorism. Oh, we don't like terrorism. Terrorism, it's not good for Shia Muslims. Oh, it's not good. You know, for me, Paulo Cruzada, you need to stop promoting terrorism. I'm not promoting terrorism. You know, like Stefan Pimentel was there. You know, Stefan was being scolded by Teacher May, my arch enemy. Or when Stefan says, "Oh, I want to be an ISIS." Oh, well, while Buddy and I, we just react. We do not like terrorism. And I talked to Buddy Castro. Stefan Pimentel must learn a lesson. You need to lecture him. That was 9 years ago, 2015. When Buddy and I, we tell to Teacher May that we say to her, my arch enemy, Teacher May Tiburcio. And she said that, Stefan, you need to stop promoting terrorism. Or don't idolize that ISIS. Oh, like you, Paulo Cruzada, do not promote terrorism in Facebook. Like you're saying you're ISIS, you're promoting in Messenger, you're harassing Joseph Maspinas. Do you want to really happen to me that I harass David Gill, Paulo Cruzada, that I make a fake account of Larry Chuanico? Oh, this is your fault, Paulo Cruzada. Do not promote terrorism. Wawel Romero was very upset. Just like she said, nagsumbong si Wawel Romero sa ate niya. That's what she said. That Paulo Cruzada is promoting terrorism in Messenger. Oh, what did he do? He promote terrorism in group chat. And Wawel just left the group, and she make she just tell. Okay, close the door. Okay, I'll continue my video. Oh, and she tells to her big sister. Oh, her big sister says, you know that Wawel's big sister, what she said? Just ignore Paulo Cruzada. Oh, if you promote terrorism, like what she said from her sister, her big sister, wag mo na lang pansinin si Paulo Cruzada. While Wawel just left the group chat, she never want to entertain Paulo Cruzada. Oh, even Catherine Canete. Oh, she doesn't want to entertain with Paulo Cruzada. Both of them, they just left the group. Oh, do not force Wawel Romero to become ISIS. Paulo Cruzada, have mercy to her friends. Have mercy to her family. Her father was a pastor. Remember, I was told by David Gill that the father of Wawel Romero was a pastor. Oh, would you ever praise radicalism? You see in the video, Paulo Cruzada, the ISIS destroyed Mama Mary. When the ISIS were killed, they saved by Iraqi Special Forces or Popular Mobilization Forces, which was backed by Iran, who were Shia Muslim. They saved Mama Mary. They saved the Christians in Iraq. And they saved the Christians. They saved the Mama Mary. They saved the people. They don't want to get in harm. They don't want to get terrorized. They don't want to get in trouble. Oh, They were just being saved. Like you, Paulo Cruzada, do not promote terrorism. Even for you, Gina Sejo, I know you're working there in Japan. I know you are a SPED teacher. You know, teacher Gina Sejo, you need to stop promoting terrorism. I know you were my teacher at the time when I was there in CDIFI. You were a teacher of Charmaine Aloyan, Ate Charmaine, the friend of Wawel Romero. And Wawel knows you. Why are you promoting terrorism? Teacher Gina Sejo, even your son, Jeffrey, both of you might be similar with Sajid Navkram and Navid Akram. This has really happened in Australia, in the Bondi Beach. I am saying to you, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, both of you, stop promoting terrorism. Don't praise ISIS. Just stop praising that goddamn ISIS anyway. They're assholes. ISIS are assholes. Oh, do you see that ISIS? They're persecuting Christians and Shia Muslims in Iraq. They are Wahhabis. They are Sunnis. They are Salafist. Oh, you don't know what is really happening. Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo. Just like both of you said, both of you should stop promoting terrorism. If Joseph Maspinas was there, even his uncle will go to Japan to get his visa. They will track you, Gina Sejo. If the Japanese police had coordinate with the Interpol, they will arrest you, Gina Sejo. They will bring you back to the Philippines. Back from Japan to Philippines. You will be in prison, Gina Sejo. Even you, Jeffrey Asejo. Oh. You know, Jeffrey Asejo, I know you are minor. You should be in the DSWD. Oh. And Jima Casandil, the relative of Paula Colin Nunez, I am warning you, do not promote terrorism. Do not praise ISIS. Jima Casandil, have mercy to your son. Have mercy to your niece, Paula Colin Nunez. Have mercy to everyone. Have mercy to yourself. Jima Casandil, do not promote terrorism. Oh,